Hi all, welcome to our Aptitude Made easy session. This is Ganesh here and today we are going to discuss about stock and shares, which will be interesting topic for your all competitive exams. This video is generally about basics of stock and share, which will be useful for you for our entire series. If you haven't subscribed us, please subscribe and let's begin with this. So to understand what is stock and share, we need to understand what is capital. Capital is the amount we need to run our company or business. Okay. That capital divided into small units which we call share and stock, okay. These company will issue in open market these stock and share. Whoever purchase or subscribe this, they are called shareholders or stockholders. Till this we find. So the next topic is dividend. Okay, so what is dividend? Dividend is the annual profit which we distribute among our shareholders is called dividend. Okay, dividend is paid, you should keep in mind, dividend is paid annually as per share or as a percentage, as per share or percentage. Okay, so the next concept is in stock and share is face value. Now what is face value? Face value generally is the value of shares printed on share certificate, or like you can say it is issued by company in the open market. That is only the face value. In question it can come as nominal value or par value also. So don't get confused, this is face value only. They are just different name of face value. Now the second thing is market value. Now what is market value? It is the value at which stock are sold and bought in open market. Okay. Now in market value there are three types of market value which I'll show you now. So please pay attention here. Market value, I will denote it as MV. Okay. So there are three types of market value. We'll get to know now. First is par. The condition is like market value is equals to face value. This is the par value. Okay. So the second is at premium. At premium you can purchase at or sold at premium. In this the condition is like market value is greater than your face value. Okay. The third is at discount. In this your market value is less than your face value. Now here I will give you a simple example, like your face value is suppose 100. Okay. So in par it will be, the market value will be also 100. Or second is at premium, it can be 110, 120, more than 100. Then it will become at premium. The third is discount. So here your market value can be 90 per share. Got it? So the next concept is brokerage. The brokerage is generally the broker's charge for you for investing money on your shares or purchasing shares. Okay. The first point is that when stock is purchased, the brokerage is always added to its cost price. Second is when stock is sold, the brokerage is subtracted from its selling price. Now we move forward, like the things to remember. Face value of a share will always remain same. It will never change. Okay. The second is market value of a share changes time to time. Third point is dividend is always paid on its face value, not its market value. Don't misunderstand that. It's very important topic. It always paid on its face value. Fourth is, if in your question the face value have not given to you, so it always will be 100. You have to suppose it to be 100 only. So that's all for today. These are the basic concepts for stock and shares. So it will helpful our building our basics for this stock and shares. So in next videos we'll do more practical work on this. So it will be easy for you to understand like how it works. If you are looking for any job, please register on Freshers World. We are coming with more stock and shares videos, so kindly do subscribe to our channel, and thank you.